Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a VS Code alternative with AI capabilities. So there is an editor right here, IDE, full IDE with AI capabilities. So if you just go to Google, just type here Zed IDE. So this is their official page here, zed.dev. This is an open source VS Code alternative. If you don't want to use VS Code, you can use this IDE, which is very much similar to it. Plus, we also get Gemini, Claude support, all these famous AI models pre-built inside this IDE. So you can check out the screenshot right here. It's available for all the operating system. It's a cross-platform solution. So there is this download button right here. So pretty much it is available for Mac operating system, Linux, and soon for Windows. I think it is not available for Windows. Uh, yeah, so if you want to do this, you just click on sign up, and you just need to join the beta, sign in with your. Currently, at this moment of time, for Windows it is not available, but if you are on Mac or Linux, it is available for you to download. So here you can mention your name and email address and request access. If you are accepted, then you can join the beta program to download this software. So they will send out you email if that request has been accepted. So you can join, download as a beta tester as well. So keep basically track here. If you are interested in this, you can install this on Linux with this command here as well. I think I have installed WSL, which is there. Let me check if I can install it using a virtual machine in Windows. It's a great editor, similar to VS Code, which has all the AI capabilities as well. So if you let me check if it is available. So you can see now we are downloading it. This is using the curl command here. So this is I'm running it as VS WSL. So now it is saying to run Zed now. Run this. So if I copy and paste, let me just cross check how to run this. Copy and ask Chat GPT here. So basically, let me ask here. Great, you have successfully installed Zed. To run Zed on WSL, Zed is a GUI application, does not support Linux GUI as natively. Here's what you can do. Okay, I think it is telling us to again open WSL2. If I just write here Zed, so now I think the Zed application must launch as I written this command here, as it is a GUI application. So let me check if it is running or not. I think it is not yet available. I written this command, but still it hasn't downloaded this. If I open this in VS Code, so this is the website, guys. Definitely check out this website. In a matter of weeks, they will release it for Windows as well. So definitely try this. So this is a great alternative to VS Code. It has all the capabilities of AI as well. So for Windows, it is coming soon. And thank you very much. Check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.